Here's how you can capture testimonials using Thrive Leads. First of all, you will have to access your Thrive Leads dashboard and go to the lead group that contains the form that you want to be used to capture testimonials. So once you find the lead group, open it, and then you will see a list of form types that have been added in that lead group. I'm going to go for the widget form type and I'm going to click on edit, and then you will be taken to a list of all of your widget forms. You can add a new one or you can use an existing one and edit it using this button. I'm going to go ahead and add a new form and we can give it a name and click on create. And now what we have to do is go ahead and edit the design of this form. And this of course is going to open our Thrive Leads editor, which is fairly similar to the Thrive Architect editor. What you have to do then is select a template for your widget type of form. I'm going to go for this one and click on choose template, and you can of course customize this form and edit it as you wish. Now after you customize your element as you wish, all you have to do is basically replace the form that you have here by default from the template that you've chosen with a capture testimonials element. And for that I'm simply going to remove the form here, click on the plus sign to open the list of available elements and look for the capture testimonials element. Then I'm going to grab it and drag and drop it. And now another pop-up will open and you can choose a template for the capture testimonials element. So now of course you can go ahead and edit the capture testimonials element inside your Thrive Leads form as you wish. You can of course use its options from the left sidebar, and we do have a tutorial on how to use each of these options. So for example, if I wanted to only leave the name and email for this testimonial, I can just go ahead and remove the other fields that I do not need. And as you can see, our avatar picker is added as the form field. So in case you don't want an image for the user that leaves the testimonial, you can simply remove this field. Now, of course, you can further customize the element as you wish. So for example, let's go ahead and choose a different color for the button, and you can of course edit the text if you wish and make any other modifications you see fit here. As you feel you're comfortable with your design, you can click on save work, and this is going to save the Thrive Lead form. And now whenever someone fills in these fields, they will actually leave a testimonial. If you want to go even further, you can also add a connection right here so that the information sent through this form will be passed through an autoresponder if that's what you need. And also what you can do is edit this Thrive Ovation connection, which is going to be here by default, and add tags if you want each testimonial that is left through this Thrive Leads form to have a specific tag associated to it. And this is how you capture testimonials using Thrive Leads.